Hi Amiga users. A few days ago, Modern Vintage Gamer released OpenBOR port for Amiga, which is a 2D fighting games engine, basically scrolling beat-em-up games. So I wanted to show you how this port performs on my Amiga 4000 060 overclocked to 80 MHz. Let's start with which Amiga. So I will show you what's on board. So 060, 80 MHz, full version, revision 6, with the Cybervision 64 graphics card. And WarpEngine processor card. Basically that's it. Let's start some games. So here I have a few BOR games, and I will show you some of them. Let's start with the Mortal Kombat Unlimited. It's loading quite long, around 1 to 2 minutes, so I will pause for a moment. Okay, welcome back after 2 minutes. As you can see, it performs very nicely. The games run smooth, no any lags and things like that. Okay, let's quit the game by pressing F10 key. I will show you another one. Let's say Fatal Fury Rebound 2. Okay, so as you can see, it runs very well. There was plenty of homebrew basically games created for OpenBOR, so actually these are fantastic news that it was ported to Amiga, and well, we can fully utilize 060 power. And well, if you are the Vampire user, so you are lucky as well. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.